Welcome to yWild's videos. This time I'm answering a question from a viewer of my videos. He saw another video with a loop of SMOTs. SMOTs are simple magnetic overunity toys. The video shows 9 SMOTs arranged in a ring, in which a steel ball runs continuously. This is supposed to be a perpetual motion machine. As you can see, I recreated the whole thing with 10 SMOTs and let the ball run in them. Seems to work. Or is there legitimate doubt here? Because the structure is nice and because the video is quite well made, I took a closer look. In contrast to my simulated replica, there are unfortunately small errors in the video mentioned, so that the ball suddenly stops at a certain point in time, takes a step backwards and only then continues to run again. This shows that the video does not depict reality. The YouTuber could have pointed this out. But why can't it be that simple? As you can see here, I also set up a single SMOT and let the ball roll up the ramp. And at the end of the ramp it falls back to the ground by gravity. If you put that in a closed loop, then it has to work for you, or not? Of course! I also simulated the realistic variant. And this is what it would like in reality. A bit sad, but true. There are two variants. First variant. The magnetic field can be too weak to send the ball off the ramp. So, stronger magnets are needed. Second variant. The ball is carried up to the end of the track with the stronger magnets this time. But gravity is too weak to overcome the new very strong magnetic field. The ball does not fall down, but to any magnet on the ramp. Is it really not possible to free the ball from the magnetic field with a small nudge from another force like gravity? This shows that the invisibility of the magnetic field creates expectations that would not arise if it were visible. Feel free to watch my videos in which I make the magnetic field visible by simulating it with gravity. If you like, visit my channel and watch these other videos. Subscribe if you dare. Thanks for watching. Have fun!